Imagine a world where your defense attorney is a chatbot, where legal contracts are written, revised, and negotiated themselves, where AI judges sift through millions of legal precedents in seconds. Welcome to the year 2035. The legal system is no longer slow and expensive, it's automated. But here's the real question. Is it still justice? Right now, lawyers spend endless hours reviewing contracts, preparing arguments, and navigating complex jargon. But AI is already disrupting the field. Apps like Do Not Pay are helping people contest parking tickets. Legal platforms automate NDAs, rental contracts, even business formations. AI tools can predict court outcomes based on past rulings. It's fast, efficient, and yes, a little scary. But behind every tool, there's still a human lawyer. For now. Fast forward to 2035, and here's how law might evolve with AI. Let's start with 5 promises of AI in law. 1. 24/7 access to legal help. AI assistants offering legal guidance anytime, anywhere. 2. Justice without borders. Automatic translation and cross-border legal support. 3. Bias detection. AI that identifies discrimination in judicial decisions. 4. Smart contracts 2.0. Legal agreements that self-execute, adapt, and resolve disputes instantly. 5. Affordable representation. Legal services that no longer cost a fortune, especially for the underrepresented. But there's a darker side too, and 5 threats we can't ignore. 1. Algorithmic bias. If AI is trained on biased case data, injustice can scale. 2. No human empathy. AI doesn't feel, doesn't understand trauma or moral nuance. 3. Job displacement. Thousands of junior lawyers and paralegals may become obsolete. 4. Over-reliance. When people trust AI blindly and forget to question it. 5. Corporate control of justice. If big tech builds the rules, whose justice are we following? Very important. Justice isn't just about rules. It's about ethics, context, compassion, and accountability. In 2035, AI will definitely play a massive role in law. But the real question remains, will it serve truth and fairness, or just efficiency? Finally, would you trust an AI to defend you in court, or to judge your case? Let us know in the comments. This is one courtroom where your opinion actually matters.